Hello everybody, I wanted to share some baby fish and fish eggs with y'all. They just scattered the eggs. I'm not sure what day it was, but it hasn't been long. And we'll see if we can find them. I've been feeding them, trying to keep their attention off of these because they'll eat them. Oh, and I've also put some black knee-highs over the intake on the filters. It's got one on that, you just can't really tell. And let's see if we can find them. Okay, you can see there's a baby fish right there. And there was an egg just above it, and it hatched while I was getting my camera ready. And there's another one that was over here. It hatched when I was getting the camera ready. I was hoping to catch that on film, but I didn't. So I can't tell if it's showing up or not. And there was another egg. Let me see if I can find it. And what I did is, as soon as I noticed those scattering eggs, I just got a jumble of all kind of plants, fake plants that I've got, and I just put them in that corner. They eat a lot of the eggs, and they will, you know, there's probably a lot of baby fish in there, more than this tank can handle, you know, once they start growing. But the fish will eat a lot of the babies if I can get a hold of them, so I probably won't be left with too many. It's kind of gross to think about, but it's nature, I guess. And in the past, when I had the balloon mollies, I would get, we call it a baster, and I would suck the baby fish in it and put them in one of those nets that hangs on the side of the tank. So I might try to do that. I don't know. I may just, I don't want to end up with too many of them, because then I'd have to fill up a little kid's swimming pool or something just to raise the babies up enough to give them to a pet store. So I don't want to have to go through all that. So we'll see what happens. Bye y'all.